Welcome back to Sunrise. With me is Brandon from BioSI. Brandon, how are you this morning?
I'm doing great, Landry. How are you?
Good. Tell me about what you have to offer there at BioSI.
Well, BioSI develops seed and soil inoculants as well as livestock probiotics. They're all natural, verified for use in USDA biopreferred programs. So they fit every production program very well.
And what are the different products that you have to offer? I know out in your booth you had a couple different products set up. Tell me about those.
Okay, well, we have our livestock probiotics first and foremost, and we actually have 11 lines. So we have livestock probiotics, environmental sprays, seed and soil inoculants, and we're always continuously doing research and development for new products down the line.
Very good. Let's talk more about the livestock one and go a little bit more in depth on how that one works.
Okay, so a direct-fed microbial or probiotic would be ingested by the animals, and through competitive exclusion in the gut, in the digestive system, it's going to push out things like Salmonella, E. coli, Bordetella, Campylobacter, things like that, and naturally make the animals healthier. And then as a result of that, they're going to utilize that feed better and reduce the needs for antibiotics and especially prophylactic antibiotic use, which most of the industry is trying to get away from today.
And I know, we're kind of in places we're getting out of the drought, but this will actually help in places that are still in the drought, so they're not having to eat so much because they're a lot healthier.
That's right. So that goes back to the entire philosophy of feed efficiency. So what we have is animals consuming the same amount or less and gaining more simply because they have healthy gut bacteria that can extract the maximum amount of nutrients from those feeds and forages.
Very good. And it's in a liquid form. You can put it in water, and how else can you feed it?
Well, we can top dress it directly on feed in the mixers on a daily basis, or direct inject into a medicator system to make sure everything gets a daily dose through the water system. Those are the two typical ways that producers are going to feed jackpot. And it's also we have drench guns, and they can drench directly orally for the animals for people that are getting high risk cattle in, and they want to get them on feed as quick as possible.
And tell me a little bit more about what you do at BioSI.
I'm the Director of Education and Outreach, and I get to come to great places like this and hang out with Superior. And my job's really hard because I've got to educate the consumers on a product that they're not very familiar with, and right now that can be a little difficult because direct-fed microbials aren't the forefront in the industry. So my job is to travel the world educating producers and consumers on the importance of using direct-fed microbials as part of their daily program.
Very good. All right, well, when we come back, we will have another Superior rep. Stay with us.